What if one of the most important organs in your body was quietly asking for help without causing any pain? Every single day, your liver performs more than 500 essential functions. It filters your blood, converts food into energy, stores vitamins and minerals, produces bile for digestion, helps regulate blood sugar, processes medications, and supports your body's natural detoxification systems. Yet millions of people have fatty liver disease without realizing it because the condition often develops silently. By the time symptoms appear, the liver may already be under significant stress. The good news is that the liver is one of the few organs in the human body with an extraordinary ability to repair itself when given the right environment. So, can fatty liver improve naturally? What causes fat to build up inside this remarkable organ? And what daily habits are actually supported by science? Today on Pulse Theory 360, we're separating myths from facts as we explore the biology of fatty liver disease and the evidence-based lifestyle changes that may help support a healthier liver. Let's begin by understanding what fatty liver disease actually is. A healthy liver naturally contains a small amount of fat. The problem begins when excess fat accumulates inside liver cells. This condition is known as fatty liver disease and is now one of the most common liver conditions worldwide. The most common form is associated with metabolic health rather than alcohol and is closely linked with obesity, insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, and excess abdominal fat. In many cases, people have no symptoms at all. Others may experience fatigue or discomfort in the upper right side of the abdomen, but these symptoms are often mild. That's why routine medical checkups and blood tests are so important for early detection. One of the biggest drivers of fatty liver disease is insulin resistance. Every time you eat carbohydrates, your digestive system breaks them down into glucose. Your pancreas releases insulin to help move glucose into your cells where it can be used for energy. Over time, poor diet, physical inactivity, excess body weight, and genetics can make your cells less responsive to insulin. As insulin resistance develops, the liver begins producing and storing more fat. Gradually, fat accumulates inside liver cells, making it harder for the liver to perform its many essential functions. This is why fatty liver disease is not simply a liver problem. It is often a sign that the body's metabolism needs attention. Many people believe eating fatty foods alone causes fatty liver, but modern research tells a more complete story. Excess added sugar, especially fructose found in soft drinks, energy drinks, candies, and many processed foods, plays a major role. Unlike glucose, much of the fructose you consume is processed directly by the liver. When consumed in large amounts, the liver converts excess fructose into fat. This does not mean whole fruit is harmful. Fruits contain fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and water that slow sugar absorption and provide numerous health benefits. The concern is excessive added sugar, not eating fresh berries, apples, or oranges. Refined carbohydrates also contribute. White bread, pastries, sugary cereals, cookies, cakes, and many processed snacks digest quickly, causing rapid increases in blood sugar and insulin. Repeated spikes over months and years may increase fat production inside the liver. Replacing refined grains with whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice helps provide fiber that supports healthier blood sugar responses and improves overall metabolic health. Now let's address one of the biggest myths online. Many advertisements promise to detox or cleanse your liver in just a few days. These claims sound appealing, but they are not supported by strong scientific evidence. Your liver already detoxifies your body every minute of every day. It doesn't need expensive detox drinks or miracle supplements to perform its natural job. What it truly needs is consistent healthy habits. A balanced diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, adequate hydration, and maintaining a healthy weight all support normal liver function far better than short-term cleanses. Perhaps the most encouraging fact about fatty liver disease is that early stages are often reversible. The liver has an incredible capacity to regenerate. When excess fat decreases and inflammation is reduced, healthy liver cells can recover normal function. Research consistently shows that gradual weight loss is one of the most effective strategies for reducing liver fat. Even losing 5 to 10% of body weight may significantly improve liver health for many individuals. The key is making steady, sustainable lifestyle changes rather than following extreme diets. Let's explore foods that may support liver health. Coffee is one of the most surprising. Numerous scientific studies have associated regular coffee consumption with healthier liver outcomes in many adults. Researchers believe coffee contains hundreds of beneficial plant compounds that may support liver function. Green tea is another beverage studied for its antioxidant catechins. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and arugula provide vitamins and antioxidants. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and cauliflower contain compounds involved in the body's natural detoxification pathways. Berries supply antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Walnuts provide healthy fats, while oats offer soluble fiber that supports healthy cholesterol and blood sugar levels. No single food cures fatty liver, but together they create a dietary pattern associated with better metabolic health. Exercise is equally important. Physical activity improves insulin sensitivity, allowing muscles to use glucose more efficiently and reducing fat accumulation in the liver. Both aerobic exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, and resistance training have been shown to reduce liver fat. The best exercise is the one you enjoy enough to do consistently. Even 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week can make a meaningful difference. Sleep is another powerful but often overlooked factor. Poor sleep affects hormones that regulate hunger, metabolism, blood sugar, and inflammation. Chronic sleep deprivation has been associated with an increased risk of obesity, insulin resistance, and fatty liver disease. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night whenever possible. Stress also influences liver health. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which can affect appetite, food choices, and metabolic function. Many people under stress reach for sugary comfort foods or processed snacks. Managing stress through prayer, meditation, deep breathing, spending time outdoors, or regular physical activity helps support overall metabolic wellness. Who is at greater risk? People with obesity, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, metabolic syndrome, or a family history of liver disease should pay particular attention to liver health. However, fatty liver can also develop in people who appear thin but have poor metabolic health. That's why healthy habits benefit everyone, regardless of body size. So, can your liver heal naturally? In many cases, the answer is yes, especially when fatty liver is detected early and the underlying causes are addressed. Your liver responds remarkably well to healthy lifestyle changes. Gradual weight loss, regular physical activity, a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and adequate sleep all help create the environment your liver needs to recover. There is no miracle drink or overnight cure, but there is tremendous power in small, consistent habits. Your liver works around the clock without asking for recognition. It protects you, fuels your body, processes nutrients, and keeps countless systems functioning every single day. Supporting it doesn't require expensive supplements or detox programs. It requires daily choices that nourish your entire body. Every healthy meal, every walk, every good night's sleep, and every glass of water is an investment in one of the hardest working organs you have. This is Pulse Theory 360, where science meets practical biohacking to help you live healthier, stronger, and longer. If you enjoyed this evidence-based exploration of fatty liver disease, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest science-backed health, nutrition, and longevity videos.